Hey there, fellow car nerds. Thanks for tuning in to MG Guy Vintage Vehicles. Greg here again with another 10 kit cars and replica vehicles available for sale across North America this week. There may be blemishes on these vehicles, but that's okay. It's all about getting behind the wheel and going for a cruise in a car you love, not impressing the purists at the car show. Links for each of these vehicles are included in the video description below. Alright, let's go with today's vehicles for sale.
Go!
Alright, let's get started with this 1965 Bugatti kit car, listed for $3,800 US in Rockwood, Michigan. It's been driven 5,000 miles, has a manual transmission, and from the seller's description. Bugatti kit car registered as a 1965 Volkswagen. It runs, but I can't keep it running for long periods of time. Needs at least a tune-up and a carburetor adjustment. Has brand new tires and rims. Open to trades. Please no motorcycles or boats. And up next we have this 1968 FiberFab Jamaican, listed for $18,000 US in Portsmouth, Rhode Island. It's been driven 50,000 miles. Has an automatic transmission and a clean title. From the seller's description, 1968 FiberFab Jamaican, 355 Chevy V8, 4-speed M22 trans, 4-wheel disc brakes, blinkers and lights all functional. I have the hood, interior needs some work, factory FiberFab square tube frame. Alright, here we have a 1941 Carouseli design Roadster, listed for $12,500 US in Houston, Texas. It is an automatic transmission, and from the seller's description, Carouseli design Roadster Super Deluxe kit car designed to resemble the 1940-42 Willys Coupe. Body, front clip, hardtop, and rear end are fiberglass, doors are metal, sitting on 1991 Chevy S10 Blazer frame and drivetrain. Hardtop can be removed. 4.3 motor with overdrive automatic trans, 95% complete, runs strong and roadworthy. Okay, this one is a 1996 Lotus Super 7, listed for $35,000 US in Conway, South Carolina. It's been driven 22,754 miles, has a manual transmission, and from the seller's description, short and sweet, Caterham Super 7 Sprinter, fun and very fast. Up next, we have this 1978 Sebring, listed for $17,000 US in Boca Raton, Florida. It has a manual transmission, and from the seller's description, fiberglass kit car over a 1968 VW Carmen Ghia, 1600cc engine and chassis, taking offers. Hey everyone, I just want to interject for about 30 seconds here. If you are enjoying my content, please consider becoming a channel member by clicking the join button below or using the link in the channel details below the video. For about the price of a cup of coffee per month, you'll not only be helping me produce these videos, but you'll have access to each and every video before they go live on YouTube, usually around 24 hours ahead of the videos going live. Alright, let's get back to the vehicles. Okay, here we have a 1970 dune buggy listed for $10,000 US in Hadley, Pennsylvania. Its condition is listed as used good, and from the seller's description, another short and sweet one, 1970 dune buggy, fun cruising machine. Alright, don't be surprised, this one may show up in the Weird Wednesday video this week. Here we have a 1997 Chevrolet Camaro, listed for $9,500 US in Bowie, Texas. It is an automatic transmission, and from the seller's description, 1997 Camaro with a 57 Chevy fiberglass kit, runs and drives, AC leaks, top works like it should, interior needs TLC, 3.8 V6 engine, 9,500 or best offer. And here we have a 1975 Ford Blakely Bearcat, listed for $11,500 US in Lebanon, Missouri. It's been driven 4,173 miles and has an automatic transmission. From the seller's description, 1975 Blakely Bearcat kit car, built on a square tube frame with Pinto parts, upgraded with coilover suspension, 9-inch rear end, 355 Chevrolet V8 and a turbo 350 transmission. The wipers need to be hooked up and everything else checked over. If you don't like to tinker, this probably isn't the car for you. No motorcycle or boat trades. Alright, here we have a 1987 Ferrari Testarossa body kit, listed for $10,000 Canadian in Calgary, Alberta. Its condition is listed as used like new, and from the seller's description, 1987 Pontiac Firebird with full Ferrari Testarossa body kit, V8 5.7 liter, 98,000 kilometers, out of province done, ready for Alberta plates, automatic everything, runs and drives excellent, $10,000 firm. And bringing up the rear, we have this Mach 5 body kit, listed for $4,000 US in Forked River, New Jersey. Its condition is listed as new, and from the seller's description, full-size kit, fits a C4 Corvette donor car, very easy build. Okay, so that's it for today's vehicles. I hope you enjoyed the video. If you are enjoying my content, please consider becoming a channel member by clicking the join button below or using the link in the channel details below the video. For about the price of a cup of coffee per month, you'll not only be helping me produce these videos, but you'll have access to each and every video before they go live on YouTube, usually around 24 hours ahead of the videos going live. Thanks again for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.